Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel, and in this today's video we are going to look at a new statistical analysis which is required for Flexsim simulation. Once you have done a simulation model, the very important vital aspect is to get the statistics out of your simulation model, because are you looking for simulation support and simulation training? Visit leansimcorp.com and here you will be getting different support related to Flexsim simulation and related to Flexsim training. Do not forget to be a member of Leansimcorp and get exciting member benefits starting from Flexsim tutorials to different modules and much more. So visit now leansimcorp.com and be a member. That is going to be the main output of simulation modeling. And if your analysis is wrong or not to the mark, then whatever modeling you have done or whatever efforts you have put into model building, those are of no use. And that is where model analysis and model validation is a very important step. So in this today's tutorial, what we're going to look into is we are going to look into how we can find out the line rate of a process, or we can find out a throughput rate of a station, a rate at which I am delivering parts from the station. So that is what I need to find out. So I need to find out a line rate, okay, for say 8 hours. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, so how many minutes? So it will be 480 minutes. So I'll have a stop time of 480 minutes. So 8 hours, I'm going to run a simulation model and find out what is my line rate. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Leansimcorp. Do not forget to share it with your friends, because we bring a lot of educational content on Leansimcorp. You can explore that more on. If you're looking for Flexsim simulation support, or looking for training courses related to simulation, or if you're looking for digital twin solutions, or you're looking for engineering automation, you're on a right page. Visit leansimcorp.com and be a member now to get access and support in all these domains. Now, when we look into this, if I run this model for 480 minutes, I could see some of the statistics at the station. It's like 33 parts are out in 8 hours. Why? Because 10 minutes is my cycle time which has been applied to the station. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just calculating the line rate, right? So let me calculate throughput rate, and here comes your output per hour. I select the station out here, and every hour I want to find out. Okay. So my line produces 4 pieces or 4 boxes per hour. Okay. That is what the line rate is. And if you want to improve this line rate now, you can do different scenarios in order to have an improved state. We will do one of the scenarios that we will make the cycle time for the operator as 0 minutes for loading and unloading. And let us see how that impacts our line rate or throughput rate. So I just reset and run that, and you can see that it has been raised from 4 to 5.63 parts or pieces per hour. So this is how you can calculate, line rate in Flexsim. If you need any more statistics or support for projects or your engineering projects or your industrial projects, or you need any consultancy support, do not forget to visit or reach us out so that we can help you solve your industry problems, because we are here to make industries run efficiently and more effectively. So let us meet in next video. If you have any questions, if you need any support, do not forget or do not hesitate to reach us out from our email ID or our website contact us page. You can also join our WhatsApp community and our Facebook community, where we bring in different updates so you do not miss any of those out there. So that's all for today, guys. Let us meet in next video on Flexsim statistics and analysis. Till then, keep watching and keep subscribing Leansimcorp.